Okay, good day everyone. Today we're going to change the exhaust servo of this Ducati 838 Evo. It has the original exhaust pipes just with the Terminioni slip-ons on. It's the same process for the 1098 and the 1198 exhaust, so please feel free to follow the steps in this video for your bike. What to look out for is to get the right servo eliminator, because the electronics are powering the servo motor, and the motor is attached with cables to a valve in the exhaust pipe, blocking out your exhaust decibels or emissions, whatever it is the regulations are. So this helps your bike have that bit of extra power in the lower end. You won't really notice the difference, I think, but it will do something. It might ride a bit more smooth, a bit less chunky. The reason why you need the servo eliminator is because the electronics are telling the servo when to close the valve, when to open the valve. If you just remove the motor or deinstall the motor, your dashboard will give a warning light that something's wrong with your bike. So the best thing to do is just plug in a servo eliminator. It's not expensive. I don't know, 25 or 50 euro, something between that. Click it in, and then your bike or your computer of your bike thinks that the servo exhaust is still in place. One thing to remember is do not turn the bike on before you plugged in the eliminator, else you will still get the dashboard warning light. Okay, we'll start by removing the right side fairing, and off we go. Okay, now we have clear access to see the servo motor. What we'll do now is remove the back heat protection on the exhaust pipe, because behind here is the actual valve. Okay, we'll remove this footrest protection cover, and then we can access all three bolts to remove the exhaust heat protection shields. These are for wear. We've got some empty plastic box compartments. It's easy to keep things apart, not to get confused for which bolt is belonging to where. Okay, move this plate. And now we have access to the actual valve. I'll zoom in, just 1 second. Okay. Here's the actual valve. So here we've got the servo, which is powered by the electronics. We've got two cables all the way to the exhaust, where this valve is opening or closing depending on what the computer is telling it to do. So yeah. Okay, let's see what it will do. We'll turn the bike on. Clearly see the servo being activated when you like slowly open the throttle, not when you go full power or you throttle really fast and slowly open all the way to like, I don't know, 6,000 RPM. The valves stay closed, you can see the exhaust gases being held back. Then once you give full power or go, give some more throttle, then you can see the valve being opened and the exhaust fumes being spit out. So it's a good thing to remove this for your bike, to get a smoother combustion, to probably ride a bit smoother with those lower RPMs, and also with the throttle not fully open, it should run a lot smoother and sounds a bit better too. Okay, to continue, I'm going to remove this servo motor, and at the back we'll remove the cables, lock the valve in open position, and replace the motor with the ISE exhaust servo eliminator. Like I said, make sure you buy the right one for your specific bike, because they are not the same for every bike. If you do put the wrong one in, you will get a warning light on your dash that something's faulty in the electronics. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the cables to the back. I'm going to do this by turning this one, so this one gets a bit looser all the way, and then try to poke it out a bit. Yep, that's that one. Here it comes. Okay, one side loose, and the other side. This one, where is he? Yeah. Okay, loose here. Now we can undo it at the back. This one as well. Okay, cables are loose. Now I'm gonna see if I can undo this one already. It's a bit hard to get to. I think I'm gonna get it off first. Loosen this one, loosen that one. You'll save by about 1 kilogram next to the improvement in smooth driving and better exhaust sound. Okay, that one is off. Like that. Now we're gonna have a look at the cable here. Get rid of this, it's annoying me, but yeah. Okay, in the way. Maybe I can shift it around the back so I can access it from this side here. Yes. Let's see. If you don't care about keeping the original parts, you could just snap the cables here and have some more room to wiggle around these things. Come on, is it coming out? Yes, it's coming out. Yeah. Whoa. Success. All right. Not sure it's a kilo. Did save some weight. Now we're gonna remove the cables. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is it's got a small
embus here. Let's see if this is the right size. Yes. Okay. Remove this here. It's a bit rusty. Let's just place some WD-40 on it. WD-40 to the rescue. Should help a bit. No, that's tight. Don't want to break. Don't want to break the screw. So let's get the brake involved. Loosen it. Yes, that will do. Oh, I can't get a second. Okay. This can be removed now. All unnecessary parts. Okay, where else? Oh, there's another connection behind there. Ooh, that is a difficult one to reach. Okay. Also a number 8, and what's on the other side? Just nothing. Okay. Let's see how easy we can access that one. This is also a perfect time to clean your exhaust, clean some bits around while the fairing is gone, while you connect everything, to check your coolant tank level, and just clean some bits around. Okay, how on earth am I going to reach that thing over there? Okay. Oops. Dropped in the oil, obviously. Okay. This is now free to get out. Woo! Finally removed the cables. Okay, what I now want to do is keep the spring in open position, which now I have no clue what is open, honestly. I'll have to look this up, make sure it stays in open position. The spring keeps it automatically in this position, which I hope is the open position. If not, I'll probably get a piece of cable, maybe cut up the original cable, maybe not. Put one to this bit, tie it around, bolt it on it here for somehow, and here for extra support, and remove the spring. If not, if this is the open position, just leave it. Next, what we'll do is install the servo eliminator itself. I'll open the package. It comes with 2 small zip ties, which is convenient. And we can put it neatly away somewhere. What I will do is first plug it in, make sure it's the right way in. Click. Is it clicked in? Yep. Just double checking it's properly clicked in. The clip is over the edge there, so that looks alright. Where shall we clip it to? Clip it to there. That would be the best, yeah. Okay, clean it a little bit. Let's see. Peel the back. Okay, make sure to first right. Sticky. Okay, not very sticky. So it will be better than it is. But hey, at least it's on there. Now I'll stick it to this here. I'm not going to include those cables over there. Keep the cable and all the things held in place. Make sure I'm not pulling any of the cables from behind. Okay. Tight. Okay, one will do actually. Okay, this. Should we do this? Oh, that's okay. It's not going to move too much around. Okay, let's snip these off to make it a neater look. There we go. The exhaust servo eliminator installed. Now we need to figure out the valve at the back. Okay, now we've got the valve. The spring holds it in a anti-clockwise position by default, so if we turn it right, it's against the spring. So hoping that in the original spring position the way it is, the valve is open. Let's see. Exhaust gas is coming out. Let's see if I close it by hand. Yeah. Good news. Good news. So by default, this is holding the valve open. So no adjustments needed. So, job's done. I hope this video was a great help for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Thank you.